In this tutorial we'll explore how elastics work at setup and post-processing stages. Let's see how elastics functionality works at setup stage. First, select the dedicated mode from the top toolbar. The full menu of available elastic shapes appears, including button cuts, hook cuts, and slit cuts. The workflow is the same across all options. Select the shape, hover over the tooth, and click to place it. The elastic is positioned at the current frame on the timeline, so wherever you are in the timeline is where the elastic begins. You can adjust the elastic's duration by dragging the timeline handles to set the start and end points. Outside that defined range, the elastic does not appear. What additional adjustments are available? Manual adjustment: drag the control points to reshape the elastic. Preset switch: use the presets in the top menu to change the form when needed. Mesiodistal slide: move the entire elastic forward or backward along the arch while it remains fixed at the same height relative to the segmentation line. Height adjustment: use the height slider to adjust the offset from the segmentation line without altering the overall shape. You can also remove an elastic at any time and apply a different one. There is an important distinction between elastic types. Button and slit types allow full control, including mesiodistal movement and height adjustment. Mesial or distal elastics do not support sliding or height changes and must be reshaped manually point by point. Another core rule: only one elastic can exist on a given tooth surface at a time. If you attempt to place a second elastic on the same surface while another is active, the system prevents it. However, if you move to a frame where that surface has no active elastic, you may place a new one. It remains active until the next elastic start time. This applies to all elastic types. Now we'll look at how elastics work during post-processing. In post-processing, elastics are incorporated into the cutting line. When cutting line mode is enabled, all elastics defined during setup appear in the post-processing view, beginning with the button elastic and followed by the hook type. If any element requires adjustment, you can modify it directly by editing the control points. These points are shown in orange to indicate that they are tooth-bound. Their coordinates, along with all cutting line data, are included in the exported output. And that is how elastics work at setup and post-processing stages. Thank you for watching.